If your Instagram location is not working or the location option just doesn't show up, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. After that, search for Instagram and tap on it. Here, go into Location and make sure it's set to while using the app or always. Next, check if your iPhone's location services are toggled on. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, go into Location Services and make sure it's toggled on. Another quick fix is to offload Instagram. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Now, look for Instagram and tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app. Then, reinstall it from the App Store. This refreshes the app without deleting your account. Also, try switching your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or simply restart your iPhone. Now, if it's still not showing, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update to get the latest version. Just keep in mind that the new location feature is gradually rolling out, so if you don't see it right away, it might take some time to appear on your account. And that's all. Your Instagram location should now be working again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.